All right, welcome back to F-Body Garage. In this episode, we're going to be working out some of the bugs that come along with the new Texas Speed Stealth intake manifold. We just installed it in the last episode, and there's a few things that you're probably going to come across if you order this. It is a brand new production unit, so there's not a lot of videos out there on it. In fact, Texas Speed hasn't released any flow numbers or showcased it in any of their builds, so there's little to nothing on this. So, naturally I thought, I have a Texas Speed 408 stroker and Texas Speed LS3 heads and all Texas Speed internals with an F1A94 procharger capable of spinning over 1,000 horsepower to the wheels. So what better time to throw a brand new intake manifold with little to no data on it on my engine? What could go wrong?
In the last video, we had a couple bugs to work out. One of them was the throttle cable bracket. The stock one obviously does not work in this situation. So I called up Texas Speed and I talked to the tech department. He said he believes the one that they've been using is the one for the Titan, which is this guy. The issue with this is that, so there's a bolt hole on the back of the throttle body where this bolts to. It goes here and then this goes under here. It looks like it's going to end up hitting the map sensor, and the tech also said that most of the time they end up moving the map sensor, which kind of begs the question, if you are moving the map sensor the majority of the time, why put the map sensor hole there? just saying. But anyway, but the intake is still very versatile. There's vacuum line or vacuum holes everywhere. There's ones that are threaded but aren't drilled out that you can drill out. So we're gonna have to find another place for this map sensor probably. But anyway, all right, well, let's pull the map sensor off. Oh, that we had to build a bracket for. Okay, it's okay, it's okay. Just another day. Just another day. No big deal. Okay. Figure that out. And then, okay. I mean, realistically, does this have more than one hole or something? Like, because this should be, if we are going to use this either way, if we were going to use it, it needs to be like out here. I mean, it needs to be like up here somewhere. I don't even see how that would be possible. There's like no other situation where that would work. Okay, so don't buy the Titan throttle cable bracket. Awesome. Which means we got to build something. So maybe we can cut the shit out of this thing. Yeah. It'd be close. It looks like it would actually... Would this actually fit? Wow. That's crazy. They made it so that you could actually fit. That's the other thing, is that they said that everybody's using low car throttle cables. But this... Well, let's see the holes. This is made to fit the stock throttle cable. Interesting. Probably just gonna have to cut this plate up and re-weld it, because the fact that it has that plate is gonna be really helpful. The fact that it has this will be helpful. We just gotta cut it up and reposition it in a way that works. I need to disconnect the throttle body. Oh, this is gonna be a suck. Well, you really got to love the process when you do this stuff, You really do. I think I've said that before. God, I just got all this fit perfectly. What are you going to do? What are you going to do? That is what it is. Okay. All right. Is it threaded? Oh, no. So there's a hole on the back, but it's not threaded. Okay, so you gotta put threads in it. What am I doing? Turn around, stupid. So it would have to go like that. And the line is correct. So that lines up directly with it. Well, not directly. Definitely indirectly. It needs to come out further. All right, and then what is hitting here? So if that goes there, really it's just the bracket itself. Like this part of the bracket needs to come out further. You know, it's off by like a ½ inch. Which is kind of odd when you think about it anyway, because even if this is made, you know, for a different intake manifold, it shouldn't make a difference because it's the throttle body that it connects to. But I don't know if you can see that, but it just doesn't, it doesn't line up. So, I mean, I could drill a hole. I could just move the hole over, I guess. Try that and see. I mean, it doesn't fit anyway, right? So what's it hurting? Okay. Are we still gonna have to cut some? Yeah. Okay. So now that that's, and it is lined up just right now. What are you hitting? Is that hitting something? Oh, just, okay, just clamp. All right, so now we're gonna have to cut down part of this in order to fit, so. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. If you can't tell, that's insane laughter. That's what that is. You know, the kind when you laugh because that's all you can do. Okay, now you're slidey. That's good. All right. Okay, now it's to the point to where this has to have threads because it's going to be super close. It may fit. I may have to cut off another sliver somewhere. Yeah. All righty. Where are we going? Now I'm lost again. Going that way. There's the hole. Oh man. We still have a problem. Oh, it's so close, man. Like I can see it. What is hitting now? Huh. Okay, that wasn't hitting before. So now I just gotta cut. Huh. Is it just that corner? Like where? Hold on. It's the top. You need to go over. Okay, see if it fits now. But there's like nothing left of this thing. There we go, of course. I mean, once you take everything off of the damn thing, cut it into slices, it fits. Imagine that. Am I angry? No. This is, I don't know what this is. Insanity. All right, so let's bolt this thing in now so that I have an idea of where you're gonna sit here. And now I need, what do I do with the other piece of the bracket? So now we need to measure this out. Okay, this is where the fun begins because it needs to happen. This needs to be pulled back as far as it's gonna go, which is right here. This needs to be here. Come on, man. I just had it in there. Did it move from being hot again? Okay, so what I could do is, where do I put that plate? Oh my God, I just had a plate I was gonna use to weld. So what I can do, you need to be here, roughly there, and then I can have this come up. So I'm thinking something like, okay, that might work. I might be able to, all right, so I just need to cut the end of this thing off. Okay. All right, you are basically gonna go like this. All right, yeah. Okay. Yeehaw. All right, get this back on. That was for that. Still got to figure out the map sitch. Okay. All right, that's on. So now, let's figure out the rest of this. Okay, get a hole there. Yes. Yes, I like it. It fits. Oh, crisis averted. Okay. All right. Now, when I made this, the idea was, as you can tell, like it kind of points up a little bit. You know, I could have made this down here, or I could have angled it down. I was trying to give myself as much room as possible for the map sensor, because we still may be able to make this work. I think it will, because the plug will come out maybe here, and that's as far back as that's gonna go. So we may actually be able to make this thing work. Let's try that again. Let's go that way. I want you at an angle. Nope. Come on, man. Okay. All right. You are in there. Now, will you get in the way? No, you will not. 2 crises averted. All right, cool. We're getting there. Little victories, man, little victories. Oh, that's the wrong way. Okay. All right, so that's on. Let's get this thing up in the air and put the procharger on. Then we'll know where to adjust with the radiator and condenser to make that fit, so we can put the cover on. And that's really it. That's all we're gonna do this week. Woo, that was dumb. Ow. Oh my God, I'm dying. So if anybody's curious, so it's a F1A94. The pulley is a 396. We're using a Grip Tech pulley for slipping, just in case. This really needs to go on first. I don't think I can slide it through there. No, I can't. Ah! I torqued this all down for mocking it up to make sure that the pulley wasn't gonna hit the alternator pulley. Now it's all tight. Are you that one? Not that one? Gotta be this one then. Yeah. That might be enough. Maybe. Probably not. probably wants me to do things difficult. I mean, that's typically how life works, right? Okay. Yeah, it's gotta come off. All right. No biggie. Any day now. There we go. All right, now the pulley will get out of the way. That's gotta go. Yeah, let's make sure there's nothing wicked-ish. Really? Okay. This thing wasn't a pain in the ass enough to get in there. Now, I need to make it more difficult on myself. There we go. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Well, that's as far as we're going today.